This room is a harbor view king room. And when you come in, you have this huge closet right here. You do have a safe, which is big enough for a laptop, which is nice. You have a couple bathrobes in there, an ironing board, a lot of hangers, so not in there. Then you come over here to your right, you've got the bathroom. So in this bathroom, they do have a blow dryer. They have body wash, shampoo, and conditioner dispensers inside of the shower. They're pure products. They also have a tube of lotion and a hand soap as well. Now, when we come in here, you do have a coffee shop right here. And then if you opened up this container, it has 6 different coffees in there. It's got some creamer in there, a couple cups, and some sugars. And then you do have right down here a little fridge. So it's enough to keep some stuff cool for you. Now, if you need some charging, each of the lights on the nightstands have 2 110 plugs. If you make your way over here to the desk also has 4 110 plugs, and it also has like a RGA cable in here. It's got all kinds of stuff. It's set up like you can have your own little conference room in here. Another cool thing about this room, you have these 2 chairs here. You've got the desk chair here, and you have 2 chairs and a table on your balcony. How cool is this? Now, I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to show you a Chevron station in the middle of the water. Did you see all the seaplanes? That's pretty cool. There's 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 8 seaplanes right there from the same company. So I wonder if they're for sightseeing and whatnot. So I'm gonna check it out, but right now we're about a 3-minute walk to the pier that I have to go to for my Royal Caribbean cruise from Vancouver to Astoria, Oregon, 2 nights in San Francisco, Catalina, and ending in San Diego. It's awesome. So it's 8:04 in the morning, and I've just been watching the seaplanes taking off to do their daily tours. And the scenery is just fantastic. So if you're going to come to Vancouver, I highly recommend the Pinnacle Hotel Waterfront. I recommend getting a waterfront room as well. 1829 is my room if you want to request that one specifically. Now, with this hotel, you can rent pedal bikes, e-bikes, and scooters from the front desk. It's really centrally located. I'm like a 5-minute walk to the waterfront. I am a 10-minute walk from Gastown. From Gastown, you're about another 10-minute walk to Chinatown. From Chinatown to the island, you're probably a 35-minute walk, depending on how fast you walk. And then from the island down to the shopping district is about a 20-minute walk. And then from the shopping district to here is about a 5-minute walk. So it's centrally located to all kinds of stuff. Anything that you need to do, this is a perfect place for it. You're almost centrally located to everything. So if you have any questions about the Pinnacle Hotel Waterfront in Vancouver, Canada, please let me know. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. It would really help me out. And I will see you next time on our next trip.